showed up. Kids these days. When I was your age, I had a little something called respect for my elders. Now listen up. We've got trouble. Big trouble. More trouble than you can shake a stick at.
So we just got off Donkey Kong Minecart Madness. Really good ride, man. Suggested. Me and my baby girl got on it. 10 out of 10. Universal, you're doing your thing, man. Love the animatronics. Great ride, bumpy ride, right? Very fast. Did you get on the ride?
Yes.
No, he didn't. He didn't get on the ride. No, you didn't. He didn't get on the ride. My baby girl, she was so brave. I'm so proud of her. A roller coaster partner. Good job, baby.